What's up, guys? Welcome to today's vid. How you been? How are you guys doing? Happy S14 day. If you're wondering, it's May 14th. May translate to 5, and then 5 looks like a S. So, 514, S14. Happy S14 day. So, on today's vid, I thought it would be something cool to do to the S14, aka Vader. Something that I've always wanted to do, and I'll give you a little bit of backstory before I explain everything. Oof. Definitely dirty. Definitely needs a car wash. But let's take a seat at this ledge right here. So, as you can tell, my driver's seat is busted. A little bit of backstory. I am the second owner to this wonderful 240SX. And the first owner, the previous owner, they put in red leather seats, or they reupholstered it. Looks pretty good. But for a 30-year-old car, it's time for a little bit newer interior, and I got something for steel, honestly, and I've been wanting to put it on, and I finally have the right formula and the right things to put it in the 240. But first, let's take a look at how janked this driver's seat is. Dude. That's right, guys. You guessed it. I got a new Recaro seat. Well, at least new to me Recaro seat for the 240SX. So, this seat, as you can tell, I already took apart because I had to make sure it all fits with the formula. But this is a Recaro seat from an Evo 8. Thank you, John. Got this for steel, and then also this planted seat bracket I got for steel as well. This is from Ricky. He has a 2J S14. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, so I was able to do a little bit more fab and make the seat fully seat better to the seat bracket. It has better contact, and just that little bit of metal that I had to grind off, made a world of a difference, and the seat's a lot better now. So right now, to almost finish off the job, something pretty important is this seatbelt bracket to the seat bracket. We need seat belts. I'm very cautious when it comes to that kind of stuff. Anyways, right now we have plans to go to Ryfab, Ryan's shop. He's a master fabricator, and he's gonna help me weld this onto the seat. So it'll look basically like that. Even though the seat looks good, we still have to be safe. So let's get to Ryfab'S shop. What's up guys? So we're here at Ryfab right now. I just wanted to give a quick introduction. This is my boy Ryan. He is the Fab Wizard, and he always helps me with any kind of welding that I have here in Miami. So if you guys need any kind of welding or any kind of fab work, he also works on bikes and cars too. There's no limit to what he can do.
I kind of work on bikes.
Kind of work on bikes.
Kind of work on bikes.
You can always come by at Ryfab, and he'll definitely help you out and treat you right. Yeah, dude, I just wanted to say thank you for helping me out.
Dude, I always love seeing you around here.
Alright guys, so I was able to get the old seat out, and I wanted to do a side-by-side comparison of the new seat that I'm going to be putting in compared to the old seat that I just took out. There's some pretty big differences. Let's take a look. Sheesh. It's pretty obvious that the Evo seat's in a lot better condition. The reason why I wanted to get something completely different is because in case I ever wanted to keep that original seat, I have it on the side. So if I ever wanted to change it, or I just don't want to sit in that Recaro seat because it can't slide back and forth. I know it can't slide back and forth. I know. I could always go back to that same stock 240 seat. Maybe have some plans on getting it reupholstered, all black. I think that'd be cool. What do you guys think? So right now, let's put on the new seat. Let's put it in the car and see how it feels inside, and hopefully everything looks great. Let's get to work. Alrighty guys, so I finally got the seat in the 240. Believe me, it took me some finagling, but I got it. It's in there. The fitment's actually pretty good. It fits snug, but that means nothing will move. Tightened everything good. It's good to go. Let's take a seat. Ooh. All right. This Recaro seat is nice. It definitely hugs more, that's for sure. Man, I gotta say, this is like the perfect This is like the perfect distance from the steering wheel. Nice. Not bad. Got enough teeth for the legs and brake. This is nice. Definitely the black seats will definitely give the car a different vibe. A much sleeker, classier, perhaps a more sinister vibe. I think another project will be to get this seat black and that back seat black. Thank you, previous owner, but just not my style, man. But definitely, this Recaro seat was the move. Definitely got it. Definitely happy I got this. So now for sure, since the seat doesn't move as much, or it doesn't have sliders and it can't move backwards and forwards, it's gonna be tough kind of getting in and out, sliding in, so I guess a new habit's gonna have to be to take off my steering wheel like every other hot boy out there, just so I can have some room to get out. Alright guys, that's basically it for the Recaro replacement install. Super grateful and super appreciative to all the dudes that helped me achieve this. I've been sitting on that peeling red seat for 5 years and the sun's been beating it up, and honestly, getting this Recaro seat was definitely the move. I want to give a big shout out to John for the awesome deal on the seat. I met another friend. His name is Ricky. He sold me the planted seat brackets for a steal, and I gotta give a massive shout out to Ryan from Ryfab'. Thank you again, dude. He's an excellent figure in the community when it comes to cars here in Miami, in my opinion. He definitely helps people and helps elevate them. I mean, dude, he let me, you know, tinker on his TIG weld machine, and that's pretty cool, you know. Hopefully something that I can do in the future, you know what I mean? I'll see hopefully some more classes with Ryan, but dude, thank you again. I hope you guys liked the footage. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.